Yo, what's up everybody? It's AI Genius, and we're back with another video. Now AI isn't just about robots taking over the world, it can actually help you stack some serious cash. Did you know you can use AI tools to make money in 2024? Yeah, you heard that right, we're talking real income, right from your laptop. In today's video, I'm diving deep into the top 5 AI tools that can help you generate that online income. So buckle up, smash that like button, and let's dive in. First up, we're kicking things off with Jasper AI. Now, if you're a content creator, this tool is your new best friend. Think about it, blog posts, website copy, even those YouTube video descriptions, Jasper can handle it all. It's like having a 24/7 writing assistant cranking out high-quality content while you focus on the bigger picture. But here's where the money-making magic happens. Imagine offering your Jasper-powered writing skills as a service. Businesses are constantly searching for engaging content, and you can be the one to provide it. We're talking landing pages, ad copy, social media posts, the possibilities are endless. And the best part, Jasper is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding whiz or tech guru to get started. The interface is clean, intuitive, and it guides you through the entire process. Just give Jasper some basic prompts like your target audience and the tone of voice you're going for, and bam, it generates creative, original content that's ready to be published or even better, sold to clients. We're talking about generating real income, guys. Whether you're freelancing, building a content agency, or even just selling your writing services on platforms like Fiverr, Jasper is your secret weapon to unlock that earning potential. And listen, competition is fierce out there. Everyone's vying for attention online. But with Jasper, you can create content that's not just good, it's exceptional. Content that ranks higher in searches, content that converts, content that brings in the big bucks. So, if you're serious about making money online in 2024, don't sleep on Jasper AI. It's a game changer in the content creation world. Next up, we're jumping into the world of design with Canva AI. Now, you might already know Canva as the go-to platform for creating stunning visuals, but hold up, because Canva AI takes things to a whole new level. We're talking about AI-powered design tools that make creating professional-looking graphics ridiculously easy. And trust me, you don't need to be a Photoshop wizard to make this work for you. Imagine this. You need a killer Instagram post, a YouTube thumbnail that pops, or even a logo for your new side hustle. Canva AI has got you covered. It's like having a personal design team at your fingertips, ready to bring your creative vision to life. But here's where the money-making magic kicks in. Businesses, entrepreneurs, everyone needs eye-catching graphics, right? And that's where you come in, the Canva AI Master. You can offer your design skills as a service, creating custom graphics for websites, social media, presentations, you name it. Think about it, small businesses that don't have the budget for a full-time designer, individuals looking for unique social media content, or even larger companies needing quick, high-quality visuals. The demand is huge. And with Canva AI's intuitive drag-and-drop interface and massive library of templates, you can pump out professional-grade designs in a fraction of the time. No more spending hours wrestling with complicated design software. Canva AI streamlines the entire process, so you can focus on what really matters, creating awesome designs and getting paid for it. So, whether you're looking to freelance on the side, build a design agency, or just monetize your creative skills, Canva AI is the tool to make it happen. Don't underestimate the earning potential of this design powerhouse. Alright, moving on to something seriously cool, Synthesia. Now, we all know that video is king in the content world, right? But creating high-quality videos, especially explainer videos, can be a real pain until now. Synthesia lets you create professional-looking videos with AI-generated avatars. Yeah, you heard that right. No need for fancy cameras, actors, or expensive studios. It's like having a full-blown production crew at your beck and call, all powered by AI. Here's how it works. You choose from a diverse cast of AI avatars, customize their appearance, and then simply type in your script. Synthesia takes care of the rest, syncing the avatar's lip movements and expressions to your words. The result? A polished, engaging video that looks like you spent a fortune to create. But here's where the money-making magic comes in. Businesses are constantly on the lookout for explainer videos to showcase their products or services, and Synthesia lets you tap into that demand. You can offer your video creation skills as a service, creating explainer videos, demo videos, even training videos for companies of all sizes. And the best part? Synthesia makes it so easy that you can crank out high-quality videos in a fraction of the time it would take using traditional video editing software. That means more clients, more projects, and of course more money in your pocket. And listen, we're not just talking about small businesses here. Even large corporations are embracing the power of AI video creation. So, if you're ready to level up your income game with a skill that's in high demand, Synthesia is the way to go. Now, for all you creative minds out there, let's talk about Midjourney. This isn't your average design tool, this is AI art generation on another level. We're talking about creating unique, mind-blowing artwork, all powered by artificial intelligence. You don't need to be a master painter or digital artist to make Midjourney work for you. In fact, you don't even need to know how to draw. All you need is your imagination. Just give Midjourney a text prompt. Describe the kind of art you have in mind, the style, the mood, whatever you can dream up. Midjourney takes your words and transforms them into stunning visuals, often in a matter of seconds. It's like having an AI art collaborator helping you bring your wildest creative visions to life. But here's where the money-making part comes in. This AI-generated art? It's not just cool to look at, it's incredibly valuable. People are willing to pay top dollar for unique, one-of-a-kind artwork, and Midjourney lets you tap into that market. You can sell your Midjourney creations as digital downloads, prints, even merchandise like t-shirts and phone cases. Platforms like Etsy, Shopify, and even Instagram are perfect for showcasing and selling your AI-generated art. Think about it. People are always searching for unique artwork to decorate their homes, spice up their social media, or make a statement. And with Midjourney, you have an endless well of creative potential at your fingertips. So, if you're ready to turn your artistic vision into a profitable side hustle or even a full-time gig, Midjourney is the tool to make it happen. Don't underestimate the power of AI art in the digital age. Finally, let's talk about a game changer for businesses and a lucrative opportunity for you, Tidio AI. Now, customer service is everything in today's business world, right? But managing customer inquiries 24/7 can be a real challenge. That's where Tidio AI comes in. Tidio lets you build intelligent chatbots for businesses looking to automate and enhance their customer support. These aren't your clunky, frustrating chatbots of the past. These are AI-powered conversational wizards that can handle a wide range of customer interactions. Imagine this. A customer visits a website and has a question about a product or needs help with an order. Instead of waiting for an email response or navigating a phone tree, they're instantly greeted by a friendly, helpful chatbot powered by Tidio AI. The chatbot answers their questions, provides support, and even guides them towards a purchase. But here's where you come in. Building effective chatbots is a valuable skill, and businesses are willing to pay a premium for it. You can offer your Tidio AI chatbot building skills as a service, helping businesses streamline their customer support, improve response times, and boost customer satisfaction. Think about it, e-commerce stores, SaaS companies, even brick-and-mortar businesses with an online presence. They all need efficient customer support. And with Tidio AI, you can provide that solution while generating a serious income stream. The best part? Tidio is incredibly user-friendly. You don't need to be a coding genius to build sophisticated chatbots. The platform is intuitive, and it guides you through the entire process. So if you're ready to cash in on the booming chatbot market, Tidio AI is your secret weapon. So there you have it, guys. My top 5 AI tools to help you earn some serious cash in 2024. Whether you're a content creator, a designer, an artist, or a tech enthusiast, there's an AI tool out there ready to supercharge your income potential. These tools are powerful, they're accessible, and they're changing the way we work and earn online. Remember, the future is all about embracing new technologies and using them to our advantage. So, which one of these AI tools are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments down below. And hey, while you're down there, don't forget to drop a like on this video if you found it helpful, share it with your friends who are ready to level up their income game, and subscribe to AI Genius Guide for more AI insights, tips, and money-making strategies. I'll catch you in the next video.